Hey, it's Kate with WTI. 10 Skin is my must-have item. It is my secret to smooth, happy skin. So I have to have this little travel version that I can take with me everywhere.
If you don't know about 10 Skin yet, I have to say, as someone with sensitive skin to shaving, this helps me so much to prevent ingrown hairs and just have nice, smooth skin. I apply it after shaving for maintenance, and I love this refillable travel bottle. It's the perfect size. You just twist it off, you're able to refill it easily with your 10 Skin bottle, and then you're good to go. So I don't have to worry about taking my larger bottle of 10 Skin with me, or if I'm traveling by airplane, I don't have to worry about getting a specific container. I just grab this, and that little rolly top works so well in helping distribute this on my skin. So I never have to be without 10 Skin, which is super, super amazing.
This is an absolute must-have for me. I use this all the time when I travel. It is a go-to. I highly recommend checking it out if you are on the go, but you want to have beautiful, smooth skin. That's just my point of view.